So hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to transfer funds from GCash to Binance with a new update. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So in Binance there's another update, so if you haven't updated yet, you have to go to your Binance and then you have to update it to get the newest features and the newest UI that they're offering. So I have currently done mine. I already updated my Binance so I can show you guys what the new update looks like. So here in Binance, we're gonna show you how to transfer from GCash from Binance. So let's get right into it. So first off, we head into Binance and you will be shown this type of homepage, and then here you go guys. So first thing we have to do, just go to our wallet, which is located in the bottom right corner of our screen. And if you cannot find it here guys, it's just right there. There you go. So you'll be also shown this UI right here with the overview, spot, funding, earn, margin, and futures. So first off, we just head into spot. So we'll just use USDT as our currency for now. So first thing we have to do is we have to transfer our funds and deposit it. So first you just go from here and you press transfer. So once you have pressed transfer, you just go here and you'll see from and to. So you'll have to go to funding, and then once you have selected that, just please select the current cryptocurrency you'll have to use, so and such, and we'll use USDT, and you'll have to enter a minimum and maximum amount that you want to deposit to the account. So for me, I don't really have any funds in this account, so I can't show you, but here's just an example of what it will look like. So first off, you just head on and you place the amount you want to deposit and confirm your transfer. So once you have confirmed your transfer, you want to head on to your funding. Here in the funding, it will show the available balances that you have been shown like a while ago. So once you have transferred it from spot to funding, it will show it right here, USDT, but I don't really have any funds here. So after that, you'll just have to go to P2P. So wait, I pressed the wrong one guys. So right here, just go to P2P and there you go. So to transfer from Binance to GCash, you'll have to sell. You'll have to press the sell option right here. And as you can see, you'll be shown this UI right here, where there are a lot of traders here that will convert your cryptocurrency into cash and it will be deposited to GCash. And to do that, so first off, you'll have to select the filter that is needed. So we will have to select GCash right here, and there you go. You have selected GCash. So here they will show you all those crypto vendors and such that will exchange your cryptocurrency into cash in real life. So here you will see that there are verified sellers, and here you will also see that you will find their trades and its completion and its rating and the time frame that it will consume you. So of course you want to always select those with the highest trades, with the highest completion rate and the most highest ratings. So let's try to find one right here. So based off here, there's this with the 4,298 trades and such. Let's try to find something better. And as you can see here, looks like it's just the 4,000 one. Here you go. So there's 77 Crypto Hub right here with a trade of 3,671 with a completion rate of 99.80% and approval rate of 99.71%. But it will take time. It takes 60 minutes for them to complete. So you might want to move on to something more shorter time if you're in a rush, or if you're not really and you can wait the 60 minutes out, you can just select that. So here you have Apex Exchange with a rate of 55.17 for $1 dollar. So there's also going to be a limit for 2,900 pesos up to 3,313 pesos with a completion rate of 98.30% and 716 trades with an approval rate of 100%. within 15 minutes of the transaction. So as you can see here in the right corner in your filter that they have GCash. So let's just try to sell right there. So as you can see here, you can refresh if there's a price update in the price. So right now it stands at 55.17 per US dollar, and it's going to be a limit of 52.56 to 54.61 US dollars. So your payment method is going to be GCash, and the payment time limit will be 15 minutes. So you'll have to select by crypto, and you'll have to enter the quantity that you want to sell. So as you can see here, there's a minimum and maximum trade, so 53. So there. And as you can see, I don't have really any balance in my account, but I'm just going to show you guys how it works. Then next, you'll have to select your payment method. So if you haven't set up your GCash here in Binance, you'll have to set it up, and then you just select your payment method and add GCash. And once you have done that, here you will just sell the USDT and such. So here are the feedbacks. As you can see here, they have 717 trades with a total of trades in 30 days. They have an average release time of 2.95 minutes and average pay time of 2.4 minutes. As you can see here, they're also a verified merchant, which have deposited around 1,000 US dollars, and they have email, SMS, KYC, and address. You can also view their profile right here if you are interested, but we're focusing on just transferring. So you just sell the USDT, and there you go. Once you have done that, you will see your transaction right here in the top right corner. As you can see, if you see a paper with 2 lines, and there you go, you just press that and you will have your order history pending right here. So if it's pending, you'll just have to head on to GCash, and you have to check if it has been transferred to your account within 2.5 minutes, as I have showed you their average time of transferring your funds. So once you have done that, you have checked it, you'll have to go to completed right here, and then you'll have to confirm the transaction. I'll show you guys right now. So as you can see here, guys, this is what it will look like once you have been created your order, and you have a time limit of 15 minutes to pay that order, or else it will be cancelled. And then here you will see you'll have to make payment and such, but it more looks like this. If you're gonna confirm, there you go, payment received, as you can see here. So once you have received your payment, just press payment receive, and it will ask certain details about your GCash, your Binance, and then there you go. Once your payment has been received, you have your transferred funds in your GCash already, and it's successful. So that's it for now, guys, and that's just how you transfer from Binance to GCash. It is that simple. So if you find this tutorial useful, join Binance now by signing up with the link provided in the description below to claim up to 200 US dollars in limited time. Trading fee, credit reward. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. So please like and subscribe, and see you again next time.